Spacey is the latest Hollywood figure facing sexual misconduct allegations. Many alleged victims waited years to make their stories public, saying they were afraid to damage their careers. But as Annenberg Media's Brittany Hope shows us, legal obstacles forced many to stay quiet until now.
More women are accusing Hollywood producer Harvey Weinstein of sexual assault.
I have been silenced for 20 years.
Actress Rose McGowan spoke out against Weinstein this weekend at the Women's Convention in Detroit. And today, new allegations from dancer Ashley Mathau, who told the New York Times Weinstein sexually assaulted her in 2004. Both women were reportedly paid to keep their allegations confidential.
No more. Name it, shame it, call it out. Join me, join all of us.
Gowan's settlement didn't include a confidentiality clause, but Mathau's did. Attorney Lincoln Banlow says this kind of agreement is common.
It's fairly frequent for somebody to want there to be some confidentiality before they'll enter into the settlement. And perhaps that confidentiality has some value, so more money might be paid towards the settlement to get that confidentiality.
Mathau chose to break that agreement. She told the New York Times she wanted to tell her story, but telling her story might open her up to new legal action. Banlow says if an accuser breaks the confidentiality clause, they may have to pay back the accused. The accused can also sue the accuser for revealing private facts and get even more money. But Banlow says this is more difficult to prove.
It's highly likely a court would say allegations of sexual misconduct by these very high-level executives are matters of public concern.
Banlow says a majority of sexual assault cases are settled, but thinks in the future more victims will speak out.
I just think we're going to see a flood of people getting these stories off their chest and of people saying it's time to inquire about this and do something about it.
A new California law eliminates the statute of limitations for sexual assault cases that happened as of January 2017, giving victims unlimited time to get justice. For Annenberg Media, I'm Brittany Hope.